Yeah. Actually, I'm in a short trade here. This moved so quick I didn't even get to enter the board. I entered a trade below this bar right here. I'm in short. This is my first lot of a thousand shares. Of course, I have 3 lots, so this is my paycheck. Once this gets filled, then I'm pretty much home free. Anything else is bonuses. And it's very important to have the bonus lots because you never know how far a stock can run. And I don't like to try to re-enter trades once the stock has gotten started because that poses a higher risk. I like to try to catch the first part of the move and then just dump off my lots there. I want to be selling when others are thinking about buying, and this is the case of going short. So this is called a WRB, a wide range bar on plus volume. This usually ignites a move, so we should get some price action here. So this should be a pretty good play. So the first lot is coming up. Okay. Okay, we're coming along our first target. And actually this is a WRB. Like I said, igniting a move. It's called a wide range bar. And we're coming upon a whole number. So we might have some subjective buyers there, and plus this is an area over here of support, but the higher time frame supports a move down. So I can bring this to about right here, my stop. Usually I never touch my stop to the first lot is filled, but due to the subjective point of a whole number, and it should not retrace back up to this WRB this much, over 60% of this, because this is igniting a move. So I can do that, and which put me in small profit range. You know, and then at this point I'm only 0.04% profit. So that's all that is. So we shouldn't come back up to over this point. Matter of fact, where is this at? Low 16. There we go. Yeah, so we'll wait and get this first little lot filled. Still waiting, coming up close. Around this area of support and this whole number, you get some subjective buying there. Whether it's subjective area or not, what really counts is how many people perceive that as a buying point. And we had a little shakeout right here. So still playing around in this area. This whole number, we'll see how prices react. We're holding steady at this point. And we'll see if we can get our target. Okay, still playing around here, so we'll see. Little reaction off this pivot here. Okay, we're filled right there on our paycheck. Once the paycheck is in, then you know anything else is bonuses. So I already had brought it down to pretty much break even, but now I'll bring it above here, bring one lot above there. Highs on 10. So let me look at that. So I brought one of my bonus lots down to right here above this base right here. And the reason why I still have this up here, because this is a uniting a move, so it still could come back up here to this area of minor resistance and possible turnover. So I just want to give it a little playroom. So I'll take another profit on here. Worst case on this, I'll be leaving with 0.04% profit. So that's worst case scenario on everything, and it's a build profit. And so like I said, the paycheck lot is always filled. So basically, if you want to have that be 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares, however you prefer it, but you use that based on the average range of the daily bar, and I use the equation to find out what I want my first stop to always be, my first target actually to always be. On this first lot, I could bring my stop down high to here, because I don't want this to be a breakout failure, so it shouldn't trades above this. So to even lock in more profit, I'll bring that down to right there. And you don't want to get into what they call micromanaging your trade to overmanage it. And so these are bonuses, so these are pretty much filled. Worst case is profit on any of these. Okay, looks like we might possibly hit our stop on this first bonus lot. Let me see, because this plus volume in this area, it's a lot of selling here and they couldn't bring it down anymore. Yes, so I'm out on this. This turned down to be a breakout failure bar, and so that's where we at this point. So I'm gonna hold here and see if minor support in this area we have any effect. There's also minor support in a higher time frame, areas of supply and demand. Actually, after analyzing this trade, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just cancel this out and take my profit now on this.
Order filled.
Yeah, I went on and took my profit, because on breakdown failures, I wouldn't even short, say this is a breakdown failure right here. And so if this came up and formed a reversal bar, I wouldn't short it, because I usually don't like to short breakdown failures. They have low odds setup. And so this could possibly come back up here to major support, major resistance. So we'll see what happens. But that's the end of that trade. Both trades were profitable. I'm sorry, all three lots were profitable.
The time is 12:20
and that's the key
p.m.
Just you have these lots in, and so you never know when you're gonna have a runner, so you always have the bonus lots in when you ever have that runner, and so you can be